What's going on, YouTube? We got a Mailday here for QuincyCardMan. He got a LeBron James signature shots full autograph. Very nice card of LeBron. And he's going to open 2008 UD Premier Football. As far as I know, this is the first premiere on YouTube. So, let's see what we get. Fancy boxes.
Oh, I should tell you that. That's
Yeah.
fun. Pretty thick ones.
Some thick ones in there.
How many? Three thick ones.
Three thick ones. Alright. See there? Alright, first card. Who is that?
Fred Taylor.
Fred Taylor.
Number to 99.
Number to 99. Who we got? We got an autograph.
Steve Slayton.
Steve Slayton.
Number to 50.
Number to 50. Quad. Oh, looks like a plate. What is that?
Oh.
One of those. Who is that?
Frank Gore. Number to 30.
Number to 30. Manufactured patch. What we got?
John
sick.
Brady.
Brady. Brady.
And Bradshaw.
That's nice.
That's real nice.
Wow. What's that number do?
75.
75. What we got? Dennis Dixon. Okay, yeah.
Number to a lot.
Number to
99.
Number to 99. Two rookies in a row. Okay. Dominic Douglas Cromartie.
And this would be a rookie card. Frank Gore.
Frank Gore, triple patch number to 50. Alright, so recap here. Got a Frank Gore triple jersey number to 50. Dominique Rogers Cromartie, rookie auto. Dennis Dixon, rookie auto. Then I'd say this is the best card in the box. The Elway, Roethlisberger, and Brady triple patch.
Terry Bradshaw.
Oh, Terry Bradshaw, not Ben Roethlisberger. And then we got Frank Gore manufactured. Steve Slayton, quad jersey auto, and then the base card right there of Fred Taylor. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.